There are places we visit, and then there are places we feel. Hidden in the heart of Jämtland, this waterfall has been part of the landscape for thousands of years. Seasons pass, everything changes, but the water keeps flowing. And somehow, no matter how many people come here, it still feels wild. It still feels untouched. It still reminds you that nature was here long before us. For thousands of years, water has shaped these mountains long before roads, borders, or people ever existed. Today, we call this place Tännforsen, Sweden's largest waterfall. But standing here, that title doesn't really matter. What stays with you is not its height or the millions of liters of water rushing by every second. It's the feeling. The mist on your face, the roar that drowns every thought in your mind, the reminder that some of the world's greatest experiences aren't built by humans. They are created by time, they are created by nature. Nature doesn't need to be loud to impress us. It simply needs to be real. Maybe that's why people leave this place a little quieter than when they arrived. Not because there's nothing to say, but because some places say everything for you.